Hi, I'm Nushrratt and I'm here to share with you what's in my makeup bag. But I'm going to call this the quarantine makeup bag. So I'm going to take you through it. Okay, maybe it looks a lot, but it's not a lot, guys. There's just a few products, okay? I start with this really nice primer water, which just hydrates my skin and gives it a really nice, fresh feeling. I can use this before makeup and over makeup as well. So depending on how you want to use it, okay? That's one. Then I have these two really amazing primers that I keep with me handy. This gives it a really nice golden glow all over my face. And this is just an amazing gold girly primer, like, I love it. So these are my two primers. Then I have this Magic Under Eye Corrector by Bobbi Brown, which is Peach Bisque. It's this really nice peach sort of undertone, which I just take like a dab off and go all over my under eyes to take away all those ugly dark circles and puffy eyes and all that you don't want to wake up to. I color correct it with this. Then time for my base, which is this Armani base, which of course I did not discover. My makeup artist only told me this is my perfect, like, goes with my skin. But I take a drop of this and that's all I need for my entire face, because I think when you want to do like a natural makeup look, the least amount of makeup on your face is actually what you should do. So I take a drop of this and put it all over my face and you really can't tell that I'm wearing any kind of face. This is really, really nice for me. So I have to show you this. This is my Lamar powder. It's this really translucent. It's got a really nice shine in it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but oh my god, it's amazing. It blends in my base completely and it gives me this really nice pretty shine on my face, which, I mean, I think I'm shining right now, guys. So it's because of this powder. I love it. It goes just like butter over my skin. It's my favorite product. I don't know if you guys can see it. I think you can. This is my powder. I actually just have these 2-3 eyeshadow palettes, which is all I can do. One is of course a Manish Malhotra because he gifted it to me and I use it. I really like it. Then there's this, which is just a very neutral sort of palette, and of course there's this another nude one by Gigi Hadid, Maybelline's, that I've picked up online, and they're great. You just use these neutral colors, and that's actually, this is what I'm wearing on my eyes right now, so you can't even tell I'm wearing it. I've learned it, guys. I've learned the hacks. I'm very happy. Okay, then blush. I love this Kylie blush. Oh my god, look at this blush. It's amazing. It's actually what I'm wearing right now again. You can't even tell you're wearing it. It just gives you like a nice pink sort of flush in your face. And I don't even know how I came across this, but it's my go-to thing right now. This entire quarantine, I only use this blush. So this is a mascara, of course, have to, my Dior mascara. I have my blending sort of sponges, but I still prefer these brushes that I've discovered, because I think the trick is, if you're going to use one drop, you don't want to kind of plaster your face with a wash of it. So if it's one drop, just kind of make it targeted. So if it's under the eye, just blend this slightly and let the rest just be. And that's why I like these brushes, because they're very targeted sort of blending. So I found these really small brushes. I don't know if they're for blending base or for eyeshadow blending, but I use it for my face. I've just found these hacks and I like it. It works for me. Then I have this blush brush, which is the only thing I keep. And whether you believe it or not, I literally have only 3 lipsticks in this quarantine, because I really don't have the time. I'm just stuck with so much work all the time that I have these 3 go-to lipsticks. One is your Pixie lip balm, one is K-Products lipstick, which I love, K. And this is another friend of mine called Natasha Moore who gave me this lipstick of hers. These 3 go really well on me. I've cut down all the junk that I have of makeup, and I've only kept things that I actually use on an everyday basis with me, which is why I'm calling this the quarantine makeup kit. Then the last but the most important step of my makeup are my eyebrow pencils. I cannot live without an eyebrow pencil. I love my eyebrows shaped the way I shape them, and I think nobody else gets them the way I do, and I do them myself every single time. So I have to have stocks and stocks of these eyebrow pencils. This one is the MAC one called Spiked, which is perfect for my skin. And I also have this really nice, it's spiked only, but it's like a nice, it's really fine nib liner. But instead of using it as a liner, I use it for my under eye. It's the same thing I've used right now. So it's because it's so well defined and it's really thin, it gives you a really thin sort of definition under the eyes, which makes it look much more natural rather than kind of blend, like making it a thicker line. So yeah, that's it. I told you it looks big and looks like there are a lot of products, but that's it. I'm done. Like, that's all there is. And this is my pretty little makeup kit that I have in this quarantine, and I'm very proud of myself because I've learned to do my makeup all by myself and I love it. I'm able to now kind of, not be dependent on other people. So yay to me. See you guys.